Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the temperature on a chest freezer. This will be a deep freezer tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have a chest freezer or a deep freezer just like this one, you can actually adjust the temperature on it. This is how you do it. First and foremost, you want to examine the freezer. Now, usually the temperature adjustment module will be on either side of it. Sometimes it's behind it, but that's very rare because they want it to be accessible. On this module right here, on this freezer, the module is down here on this side. If you take a look, let's bend down and let's see what's going on over here. This is a very simple knob. This is a relatively old style chest freezer, and it just has an adjustment knob. On some of the higher end, more modern ones, you're actually going to get a digital readout, and you can actually use buttons, but essentially you want to turn the temperature up or down. If you increase the temperature, okay, if you increase the degrees of temperature, it's going to get warmer or not as cold. If you decrease the degrees of temperature, it is going to get colder. However, over here, the numbers relate to basically how cold it's going to be in terms of its freezing power level. So on this one, if you increase the number, it's going to a lower temperature, as you can see right here. If you increase the number, like a number 7 is lower in temperature, and a number 1 is the highest option for temperature, okay? So basically, you're going to choose, according to the gauge, what temperature you want. Now, like I said, if you're increasing or decreasing the degrees, that's going to be different than if you have maybe possibly a number like this. So be sure you know what you're doing. Read the manual or just kind of use your own judgment to figure out exactly how it works. But that's it. You're going to just turn the knob or press the buttons to choose your temperature. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.